Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a day in the life vlog. Just doing bits and bobs, cleaning, I think going to Home Bargains. If you're a returning subscriber, then thank you for coming back. And if you're new here, then feel free to stay, subscribe, like, what you want to do. So yeah, as I mentioned, I'm just going to be doing bits and bobs. I'm not sure how this video is going to turn out, but also my hair is so fluffy because I washed it yesterday. You know that like day old hair. That's me. A few things need to be done. I need to, well, I don't need to, I want to clean it everywhere, like make it smell nice and fresh. I need to do bits in the garden, so that's why we need to go to B&Q. It's in such a predicament about my outfit because I'm wearing a like jumpsuit, so all in one, but it keeps on and off like drizzling, and I don't have a coat or in fact a jacket with a hood. I have one, an Adidas one. I don't really want to wear that, and I'm just talking absolute shiz. So come and spend the day with me doing all the stuff that I have mentioned. Let's go into the video. Believe the weather, like it's fine now, but if you would have seen the clips that I've inserted, then hail in May, nobody expected that. Thunder and lightning as well, and apparently there was like a small tornado near where I am, so that's a bit crazy. So obviously I stood outside to film it, but I was trying not to get wet, and like one hail landed on my head and it actually really hurt. So treacherous, absolutely treacherous. Anyway, as you can see, been to Home Bargains, got some stuff, so I thought I'm just going to show you because why not? Who doesn't love Home Bargains still? And as always, went in for like a couple of things, came out with 2 bags, so I'll just show you what I got. Literally set this up as if I'm doing a main video, but this is in the vlog, and I'm just going to show you what I got from Home Bargains. There's like loads of little bits. And I'm sorry that the lighting is weird. The weather is just a no-go, obviously, as I said. And the artificial lighting is not doing much, but yeah. So, it's like a mixture of Home Bargains and B&Q. I just only got a few things from B&Q. But in Home Bargains, I picked up this white rug. I don't want to get any makeup on it. Obviously, it's faux fur, but it's so soft. And I wanted one like this for ages, and it was only like £9.99 or £10, something good like that. Let's go for this bag. Sorry about the rustling. Black napkins because we're doing like a barbecue night kind of. Paper cups, paper, plastic. Fabulous foam freshener, like to spray on the carpet so you don't have to vacuum it up or anything, and it's in sage and vanilla, and it smells so good. It smells like an aftershave or perfume. Some more plastic cups because you can never have enough. These multi-surface wipes in pomegranate and lime, and they smell really good as well. I didn't think I'd like it, but I do. The bathroom, what are these called? Air freshener. Yeah, I love these, they're so strong. Some scouring pads to get off like the grimy, disgusting stuff. And some chewing gum, and that's all in that bag. I'm going to show you the next bag. I don't know if you can hear me over it's just rustling. Now we have this big blue bag. So from B&Q, I actually picked up 100 tea lights because I ran out, and I like to use these for wax melts, just because I think the wax melts are stronger. I got just some plain flip-flops from Home Bargains. They were like 99p or something silly, so picked up some just for around the garden. Some LED lights just to put around a tree that we have. We have some around like a pergola, is that what it's called? And they look really cute. I'm sure I'd include it in the vlog. But yeah, I wanted something to get around the tree, and my favourite, I love that, the warm white. Warm white? Yeah, they're just my favourite. Table covers. We've got 2 paper plates, a garden light to see what you're doing. I picked up a shea butter and honey shower gel, and I can confirm it smells so good, and it's huge. That's great. I think that was like £1 or something. We've got a toilet freshener, £6. I really like these. They're really good. Some parmesan because I love parmesan cheese. I've just got a moisturiser. 8-pack of chocolates. Why am I holding it like that? An 8-pack of chocolate squares. They're my favourite ever. If you know me, then my favourite juice is peach juice, and Home Bargains never had it before, and now they have it, and it makes me very happy. Also, a fridge storage thing. I've wanted one for so long, and they only had one big big one, so I thought I'd pick it up just for like little bits and stuff. I thought it was cute anyway. A candle from B&Q. B&Q candles are so underrated, by the way. This is in Tranquil and it's so yum. Got a hand wash in Cotton Clouds, the Imperial Leather one. So yum as well. Why do I keep saying that? I'll stop. Look at the... That's a lot. So it is like, I think it's about 7 o'clock now. I don't actually know. So I don't know if I'm going to do any cleaning tonight. Loads to do in the garden still. So what I'm thinking is doing like a 2 or even 3 day vlog, because there's quite a lot to do. My fringe got cut back in. I'm not that happy about it because it just gets in the way and I don't like how it looks on me. I was trying to grow it out and then it got recut and I was like, brilliant. But yeah, I need to do cleaning of basically the whole house. I need to do the garden, so like we're just doing stuff to it, making it look nice. I need to tidy, definitely. I'm sorry if this vlog isn't like your kind of thing, but it's just a get done vlog, you know. It's a bit different to what I do, but I want to do more vlogs. So, and someone suggested for me to do more vlogs, so I'm gonna do more vlogs. Oh, how many times do I want to say vlogs? Anyway, yeah, I'll see you in my next clip, whatever it is. Peace. So these are all the new stuff that I'm going to be using to clean today from Home Bargains that are new. So we've got the toilet, bathroom, obviously tea lights are going to be put away, the rug obviously will go on the floor, but yeah, obviously I will use other bits, but these are just the new bits. Hi everyone, today is a new day. It's actually the next day and I had a bit of a different day. It didn't go as expected, but I need to clean, so I'm in the bathroom and I've got all my cleaning stuff and I'm gonna clean to my heart's content. And don't mind the bad paint job, we're still doing the bathroom. Well, I didn't say that we were doing the bathroom before, but we're redoing the bathroom and yeah, there's just paint bits everywhere. So yeah, enjoy like a cleaning time lapse maybe is what I'm thinking. honestly. Get them. So today's another day. Sorry about yesterday. I don't really know what happened. I mean, I was in pain and I was expecting to go to the doctors, but that's not until next week now. So anyway, just getting ready to go out to get some barbecue food. Yeah, so come join me on the rest of the day. I don't know how many days I'll be vlogging for because it seems to be going on forever, but I'm just gonna pick up the camera here and then. Look, there's all my clothes, and then I've got like all of that to sort out. Using my new fridge storage. I love it. I need more. I'm in the fridge. Who knew they'd all done McDonald's chicken nuggets? Number 1,000 of things going wrong. It's completely snapped. What one do I want to wear today? Spin in the hot. Yeah, you can see the lights. Put them up by me. Ugh.